look like.
Show me them cheeks. Wait, show me them cheeks.
Ooga booga.
Golden, where are you? What is that? What is that? You gotta find my corpse and you gotta.
Take me! Take me! Take me!
Come on, grab. No, you can heal me. You can heal me. Holy shit.
What the f?
Okay. Ah!
Box.
We can't.
What did I do? Hey, it's fine! I like wait, stop! Stop! No! Okay.
Go in there.
This doesn't look very safe.
I think it's a teleporter.
Oh, alright, bye guys.
Let me turn on. Do you feel like a new man? For something in this game. Actually, these are horrible fucking prices. Yo, these are horrible prices. I would have to pay $30 just for this moleskin. And there's probably people wearing it.
I thought that was King Kong at first.
Okay, you're just fucking stupid.
Hey, I'll see you on the other side.
Shut the fuck up.
What the f is that? What is that?
What?
What the f?
Holy shit, he's winning. Oh, no, it wasn't. No, come here, I can do it.
Oh my god!
No, it's okay, little boy. It's okay. Come here. Come here.
What the f?
Grab another one. Grab it! Okay. You hold it. You hold it. You hold the other one. What are you...
Hi YouTubes, it's me Jefferson. I'm here to tell you about the dangers of herpes. If you're out getting dick, at least let some of us know. You know why? Because I don't want herpes. Neither do my cats. Bye bye.
You're not Uzi.
No. 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 No, 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 no. Aww. Aww. Damn it. No. Do you have a gun?
Alright, watch this. Yeah.
I was watching. No, 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 it's on me! Come the fuck
None
on.
of these feel comfortable. Oh my gosh.
Holy shit, I got a gun!
Holy shit.
Oh fuck, it's hitting me. Oh my god! Can we... No shit. Holy shit, I did it! Oh, come on. Oh, yes. What the fuck? What the fuck? No, I'm killing myself! I'm killing...
Run! I lost my stick! I lost my stick! I lost my stick! There's a fire! I don't know what it was!
Oh yeah, I went there. I don't know what the fuck it was either. I have 2 shots left.
Can you use one on me?
Wait, these are ones. I was scared. I was scared. I was scared for a reason. I was scared. I was scared for a reason. Blow! Blow! Bro. It took forever for it to work. I didn't know it takes 10 years for it to blow, but it took 10 years for it to blow. But he's camping. So I dropped my gun.
Yeah, I did too. Good luck.
I see you, bastard. Come out! Gotta explore more places before it dies. We gotta go to the.
No, I'm scarred now.
We gotta go to the lake. Lakes heal your scarredness. All right. This lake is perfectly fine. It's all sunshine and rainbows. Come on, pretty please. Come on, come on. Let's go. You don't need a flashlight where we're going.
So you see this sign, right?
Yeah.
See the way it's spelled and looks?
Yeah.
That means death.
No, it's gonna be perfectly fine. We're
Yeah.
gonna have a nice, relaxing day after the trauma we experienced. This is the average lake in California. What the fuck?
The fucking poison water makes you jump. Hold on, wait. Watch me. Watch closely. Watch and learn.
I'm watching.
My gosh, Hey, little guy.
Yeah, go approach it. Wait, is this scared of you more than it? Wait, I think it's scared of us.
Remember Bond's burgers, right? The Walton Files? It reminds me of Bond. The skull. Like, look at the way he's...
I don't think I want to look at him, Colton. Colton, shut up.
Ew, that thing fucking small.
Shut up!
Make a run for it. Why are you so progressive?
Maybe it's scared of light. Here, grab that. Whatever that is. Need to get out. Oh, Jesus Christ. Move! Move! The way. Go! Go! Fuck! There's two of them!
I'm lost.
Come on, move back. Come here. Move. No, don't come forward. Back.
Back, forward, back. Why is it red?
Back.
It's getting red.
It's getting red. Oh, it's got red.
Oh, because you wanted to go deeper.
Don't talk to me like that, because I just saved your life.
I'm killing myself.
No.
No.
This game is actually kind of fun.
Shiver me. Oh, I'm dying.